This video is brought to you by Odessa Woodworking and Makers Shop. Proud member of Makers Media Network. Hello Internet, Al Forte here from Odessa Woodworking. On this trailer, what you're going to end up seeing is just a little bit of what Odessa Woodworking and Makers Shop is all about. Um, the items and the videos and the projects that I work on are made with with the enthusiasm and the love, hopefully, that I have inside of me that I want to share. Some of the things that I'm going to do are, of course, woodworking, Odessa Woodworking, and Maker Shop. Well, the Maker Shop stuff can be anything. Can be anything like scroll sawing. Well, wait, that's woodworking, right? Well, what about electronics? Or what about automotive? Or what about computers? Um, Anything can happen. I might even get into video games, uh, maybe a little uh, melting of metal, whatever that's called. But anyway, please follow Odessa Woodworking and Maker Shop on YouTube, Odessa Woodworking on Facebook, and Kilroy79763 on Twitch. Come see us. Oh, and remember, no matter what you do, do it just for fun.